know we had to do this thing for sure. Yeah.
We need some lotion.
We need some lotion.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say like the top down. Oh, it's for tomorrow, we ain't living right now. So let's not waste another day. From 2019 season, nothing to say like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. It's for tomorrow, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Okay. How'd you done it, boo-boo?
Yeah.
You gotta sit down. Sit.
What? Mommy, I'm do that.
picture perfect. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you. Till my soul and couldn't see why. Hold my head high, cause you see the eye. And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better.
Hey guys, welcome to Saturday on my weekend vlog. I'm out with my girls, well, two of my girls. The first one and the last one. And I just left Walmart. I went to Walmart. I feel like I go to Walmart every day, and I feel like the people be judging me when I go in there because I feel like I go in there every day.
Mommy.
But I had to go.
We can go.
The ATM in there gives exact change. We're going back. She wants to go to McDonald's. My boys are going to get their hair cut, so I needed to get exact change because they don't like to give change back. I gave money yesterday, and what did they buy? What did y'all buy?
Yeah, that's what we had. We had to pay exact.
What did you buy?
I got
Froyo. So you had 2 things of yogurt yesterday. I mean, 2 things of ice cream.
Yeah, that's why I said.
Dairy.
Oh, when you said you got me ice cream.
See, I didn't know she had ice cream yesterday. And then Cuppy is at practice, so she should be getting out like very soon. Portland has. Then I have to pick up groceries at 4:30, which I feel like in my mind I'm gonna have to have somebody else to do that because I am so sleepy. Like the type of sleep, y'all can hear it in my throat. I woke up at 2 o'clock because the dog woke me up. Obviously she wanted to eat and drink or whatever. I don't even know what was going on with her this morning, but 2:30 I had to go fix her a whole dinner. I'm crying.
Toing, toing. I do.
Seafood.
Come
Come on.
on.
You're supposed to go wake your sisters up.
I don't want to. Oh.
Okay, hold on. I'll get you. I'll make you some breakfast.
I'll fit up the day. So, this shrug thingy is from Ross, from Mama. Got this from my birthday. Look. Yeah, Ross or TJ Maxx. This skirt is from Walmart. It's a skirt. It's a sport skirt. Nike hike long, not long high. Sheen, Alpha, Copper, whatever, I don't know. Apple, Scrunchy.
Yeah, I had a show.
This, hold on, wait. Sheen, H&M.
Was that something?
Yes. So we are on our way to church, and we are late per usual. Now I woke one child up at 8:30. Now I got up about 7:45. I woke her up at 8:30. If it had been for my shirt I couldn't find this morning, I thought I had it out last night, but obviously I had the wrong shirt out, and I was looking for the right shirt, couldn't find it. So I guess it wasn't meant to be. But anyway, she don't have anybody else to get ready. It's just her that she has to get herself ready. And she can't get up out the bed. I just don't, for the life of me, I don't understand. And like people said, you know, growing up, you slept a lot. But when my parents told me to get up out of the bed, I had no other choice but to get up. That is just really bothering me. My mom was like, don't be late for church tomorrow and then post a video. Mama, that's my career. Plus I'm driving. But it's 10:29. Church start at 10:45. So we got 15 minutes. We're gonna make it. I'm eating me a boiled egg for breakfast. I got me a cup of coffee. Then I'm getting ready to chug down real quick. It's getting up when I tell y'all to get up in the morning. Don't ask me to go to Dunkin'. Don't ask me to go to Starbucks. Do not ask me to go to Chick-fil-A or any of these places like this. Can I go to the mall? I need a new shirt. I need some shoes or anything like that. If you guys cannot be obedient or responsible enough that when I walk into your rooms in the mornings, that y'all get up and get up out of the bed, because what we're doing is we are wasting time and we're wasting our life. People are living life. They're out here enjoying their life. And we still in the bed.
Really good, and they're pushing me because I want to give it to anybody that wanted it. You know, they didn't want it, so I'm praying that somebody, God, is gonna raise somebody up, and I want all the rest. Who are we?
All right, name yourself. I'm a child of God. I'm a son of God. I'm an heir of God. Glory to God. And the reason why I'm a son of God, because I understand my identity. I am not just a regular citizen. I'm a king's kid. And when I'm a king kid, there's a different way I walk. There's a different way I receive the things that God has for me, because I understood who he was. Isaiah understood who he was. John understood who he was. You got to understand who. Get me out of here.
Me too, babe.
I'm trying to look at you. You ain't even look around.
I'm sorry.
Huh? What you want to say? Hey. Oh, should I do it right here? What are we saying? Move. Hey, can y'all, sister man, can we have a minute real quick? We gotta film a video. Daddy.
You and Matt tried to do a video, personal invite to the church. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Can I see myself?
This thing. Check the mic.
Check. 1,
Okay.
2.
You good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
God bless you. This is Tisha, and welcome to the Sky's the Limit Ministries.
Now I want you to invite them. Personal invitation to our church.
Why I gotta be that close?
What's going on your face?
Hey guys.
Hold on.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, this is Tisha, and I want to personally invite you to worship with us right here at the Sky's Limit. We're located at 839 Shell Street, right here in the heart of Tupelo, Mississippi. We want you to be a part of this worship experience. Meet us here.